What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So don't mind my little messy ass garage because the weather, it finally stopped raining, but the weather's still kind of shit. So today we are going to be putting prep. We're gonna, well, these 4 cups are already prepped. So we're going to paint the base coats on these cups, but I will give you some tips on how to prep your stainless steel tumblers. So you definitely want to lightly sand them. You can get any kind of, you can get the sanding block. I just have some 320 grit sandpaper. You lightly do it. You don't have to press hard. Then you take some paper towels or a microfiber rag with some, you want to do 70 or 90% rubbing alcohol and just kind of wipe your cups off. And then it's really personal preference on what paint you want to use. Since I'm doing 1 cup red, I'm going to be using this medium garnet red. I have a matte white for the 2 yellow cups I'm going to do, and then black for the cups that I will be doing the alcohol ink on. So there's that. So this coffee cup, my Where's Princess sticker is going to go in here. Yeah. So this is my personal stainless steel coffee cup. Sorry about the noise, guys. There's a great school across the street over here, over the ways a little bit. So I'm going to start and put my gloves on here, and we're going to go from there. Yes, make sure you have gloves because you definitely don't want to get spray paint or overspray on your hands, arms, jewelry, whatever. And it's a little windy out, so this is going to be fun, right? And also make sure you shake your cans of spray paint. Most people know that. Some people don't. So I'm going to go with the white ones first. So we're going to take these white cups out here. And I have to bring you guys out here so you guys can see me. And so we can get these cups sprayed. I'm a hot mess today, so y'all don't mind me. Oh, so I'm going to set this here. So they have these rubber things you can buy to put in your cups like this. I have the worst luck with them. Some people have really good luck with them. I have the worst luck with these damn things. They don't always want to stay in. See what I mean? So I don't use them that often. I usually just take some solvent and wipe the inside edge of the cup out. So you want to make sure. I'm still messing with this new camera, y'all. You want to make sure that you kind of know which way the wind is blowing for sure. This is the white because I'm doing 2 yellow cups, so I need the base to be white. These cups have already been lightly sanded and wiped off with alcohol. You hear that? You want to get that mixed around in your cup. Ha! I just realized what shirt I was wearing. So you see which way the wind's blowing? You don't have to like soak them. You want enough to cover the silver. I mean, when I say it's windy out here, it's windy. So even with gloves on, I'm probably still gonna get some on me. Now I like to let these sit somewhere and dry for 24 hours just because it's helpful. That's what I like to do. So I'm just actually gonna set that down there on the ground. Grab this other cup here, do this one white. So remember, I'm doing yellow glitter all over this cup. Waiting for the wind to change directions. It's really simple. I mean, they have other paints you can use. Whatever's available, whatever you like using. They got this new stuff out. I mean, I just heard of it where it's colored paint, adhesive all in one. But I have like endless supply of spray paint. So that's why I'm using that. Alright, that's that one. Let me grab the red. Now remember, this cup here is my actual personal coffee cup. This one, the rubber ring will stay because of the foam that's shoved in there. It's the red that we had. It is, I took the lid off in the garage. It's like a deeper red. And this is actually car paint. But it'll work. Whatever you got available. By all means, it ain't gotta be fancy. But I'm putting red glitter on this, so I want it to really pop. And this has a handle too. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Woohoo, look at that. Now, for some of y'all know, most of my videos are usually uncut. They are raw. It is what it is. Y'all see I still got gloves on, but I still got paint all over my watch. With that, and you're gonna have runs, but I'm putting glitter on it, so it doesn't really matter about the runs. I just want the wind is really going, y'all. I'm battling this weather here in Florida the last couple days. It feels like I'm back in Illinois. Actually, these are actually pretty dry, pretty quick here. That red is pretty though. That is beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Alright. Let me grab the black. Now I obviously have a lot more cups of paint that are inside the house, but I wanted to get some content made for you guys and get this on here. You guys, I am 8 subscribers away from being able to go live on this channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, share. Turn on that notification bell so you'll get notified anytime I post something or do a short or hopefully go live soon. You can, if you want to shoot me an email, my email information is in my about section. Alright, so this one's going to be black because I'm doing the alcohol ink on this cup. You got a wind gust. I'm waiting for it to go down. Now I want this one covered a little better because I am doing the alcohol ink, so you will see some of the black. So I gotta make sure this one's covered really good. And there you go, it's covered. Woo, that's pretty. It's like a very sleek, shiny black. So let me pick this camera up here and I will show y'all, but I'm gonna take these gloves off before I touch it. So this is pretty much cup prep and primer day. So what we're doing, we have the 2 white cups there that are gonna have the yellow glitter. This red one is gonna have red glitter on it, but look at that red. Isn't it sharp? It is real sharp. Look at that black. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Alright you guys, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Stay tuned to see how these cups turn out, because the next step will be, they will be on the machine getting some glitter and epoxy and Mod Podge and all that stuff. So next time, bye.